Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Lissie here, I think first time on this channel. Yeah, it should be. This song is called Sad, so it's a great guitar-friendly song. Pretty good tempos. It's a good beginner song and don't have that many chords to it, so it's pretty much straightforward. So a great song to start with if you want. And yeah, so let's do that. We have the capo here on the 4th fret, and with that we have the easiest chords possible. So let's start with these 6 chords. So A minor first, that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have an F next, so that's a bar here on the 1st fret, all strings, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. C next, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have G, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. D minor, so that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. And the final chord will be E minor. So open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. So there you have it. A minor, F, C, G, D minor, and E minor. So we're going to look at the strumming first. That will be the main thing to play here when it comes to the right hand. And so just strumming will be down, 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 down. So that will be 1 round. 4 downs, and you want to emphasize the 3rd down. So you do that in a way that you're going to play the bass strings on the 1st, the 2nd, and the 4th down, so more up here. And on the 3rd down, which you're going to emphasize here, you play more on the top strings. So with A minor, I can illustrate the strumming, so that will be like this. Bass, bass, top, bass, 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 top, bass, down, 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 down. Okay, so 1 round is... Okay, so with that, we're gonna look at the first verse. You're gonna play A minor 1 round, F 1 round, and C 2 rounds. This you're gonna play for 3 rounds in total. So this chord progression, A minor 1, F 1, and C 2 for 3 rounds. And then on the 4th round, you're gonna play A minor 1, F 1, C 1, and G 2. Okay, so that is the verse. I'm gonna take you through that. So A minor, F, C, C, again, and the 3rd time, F, C, and the last round is A minor, F, C, and G, G. That is the verse. That takes us to the first chorus. Here you're gonna continue the same strumming, all right? Just a different chord progression. You're gonna play D minor 1, F1, C1, and G1, okay? So this chord progression, D minor, F, C, and G, 1 round per chord. You're gonna play that chord progression for 4 rounds. So let's go for a couple of rounds of D minor, F, C, and G. Was actually the 4 rounds and the chorus. Okay, so now we're gonna play the second verse, and it's played in the same way as the first one, and the same goes with the second chorus. So it's just repetition for the second round, you can say. After the second chorus in the lyrics, I won't say I didn't love you. That's where the bridge part starts. And now we're gonna work with just downs, okay? So forget about the 4 downs like this. You're gonna play, or you can play actually the same kind of strumming here, but it will be more like 4 straight downs, so you don't need to emphasize the 3rd down with the top and the rest of the bass. You can just play 4 downs if you wish. So that will be D minor 4, E minor 4, F4, and G4. And 4 means just straight downs, okay? That is 1 round. On the second round, you're going to play it for 2 rounds. You're going to play D minor 4, E minor 4, F4. Everything is the same, except from the last chord, the G. You're going to play that for 8 downs instead of 4. So 2 rounds of D minor, E minor, F, G. 4 downs per chord, except from the last G on the second round. There you're going to play 8 downs. So it will be something like this. That's the bridge parts. And then comes an instrumental part. It's played in the same way as the chorus for 2 rounds. So the chorus was 4 rounds, but this one is just half as long, D minor, F, C, G for 2 rounds. And then comes, after this instrumental part, a final chorus, and guess what? It's played in the same way as the previous choruses, and that's the end of Lissie's Sad song. So hope that helped, guys. Good song from Lissie. So enjoy it and play tuned.